Welcome back to my channel. This is the Charlotte Tilbury foundation review with powder and the Pillow Talk lip colors because they do a wide range in them. And I hope you love it. Like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. In today's video, it is going to be all about my Charlotte Tilbury Flawless foundation. If you had watched my previous video, I got ready with my mum. Personally, I kind of stick to the same bits and bobs. The one thing I don't have in my kit that I've always wanted is Charlotte Tilbury. Now, Charlotte Tilbury is an amazing brand, and this particular foundation I've been dying to try. I saw a few girls online on their Instagram stories on YouTube do their face with this flawless foundation, and it looks flawless. So if we look back at the way that I do my makeup, if you've seen in my other tutorials, I layer different kinds of concealers, then I do my foundation, and then I add a bit of extra kind of coverage on top, then powder, you name it, I do it. Well, what I was looking in a foundation was something that was full coverage, that I didn't have to layer to get what I needed, and something that was pore minimizing and had skincare in it. I wanted to show you guys this foundation. I haven't opened it. It's unopened. I'm going to show you the packaging and open it up for you all, and I'm going to do my face. I'm going to do one side. I don't know which side I'll do, but I'll do one side, and so you guys can really see the impact. Charlotte Tilbury. I'm going to open it up for you. My shade is 5.5 neutral, and I'll explain why that shade is probably the best for me in a moment, but I'm going to show you literally the packaging of this product. It's incredible. So as you can see here, it's called the Airbrush Flawless Foundation. So as you can see, it's kind of mattified glass bottle with a nice gold cap. It comes with a pump as well, so it's fantastic. It's so cute that when you spend a lot of money on a good foundation, you want it to look nice. It looks so high-end, it looks so cute. It looks like a magic potion bottle. I love it. But anyway, so when you place this on your skin, the foundation actually oxidizes. So you give it about 5 minutes, and it will kind of like adjust either to your skin tone or maybe slightly darker. Whatever you currently use, they say to go a little bit lighter than that. So let's find out if this was right. So I've just put about that much on my hand. The color seems right. I am actually going to go in and do this side of my face. The recommended way of applying this product is with a brush. I usually use my sponge, beauty blender, etc. But today I'm going to apply it the way that they suggested it. So I'm going to use a flat top foundation brush, and I'm going to go. Ooh. Ooh. This is good. This is very, very good. Ooh. This is just the foundation, guys. This is unbelievable. Oh my God. It feels so light on the skin. Skincare in it, it feels so light. It looks amazing. Apparently it's anti-aging as well. But guys, this foundation. Okay, so what do you guys think? This is just the foundation, no concealer. Can oxidize. If you don't get the right shade, it can go a bit orange, so make sure you get the right shade. And this shade was recommended by the shade finder online, so I didn't really try out any other shades in the store. Charlotte Tilbury, I fully trust your shade finder. This is 5.5 neutral. This is insane. Can you see the difference? So this is without anything on apart from moisturizer. This is with the foundation. Whoa. And I had to only use a tiny amount. Okay, let's finish the face off. It's like matte dewy. It's got like a luminosity to it. Oh my goodness. Seriously, I'm blown away. You can build up the coverage as well. Even though it's really full coverage, it's really fantastic. And not looking like too much either. So this is just the foundation. I honestly don't feel like I need to conceal literally anywhere. It's lightened, it's brightened, it's hidden, it's smooth, and I'm so pleased with the finish. Non-transfer, and it feels so light. I can't begin to stress this enough. It feels like you've got nothing on. I'm just gonna put the powder on top, but they ain't recommended, so let's give this a go. It's called the Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder, so it goes well with this foundation. So again, it's a beautiful packaging. You can see my fingerprints. That's not cool, but it's a beautiful packaging. I in the store recommended I'd get like a really light finish, so a kind of whitish, yellowish, creamyish color, and I'm gonna go dust it in areas that I need on my face. So I'm now going in with my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder, and apparently the powder and the foundation paired together is like a dream come true. So, whoa, it's very fine. It's super fine, and it kind of like, when you dip your brush in it, the powder particles go everywhere. It's very delicate. Ooh. I'm literally pressing this on the skin. It's very light. This is great. There we have it. I cannot believe how good this is. Back in the day, I was less inclined to go near Charlotte Tilbury because I do believe, correct me if I'm wrong, they didn't have a wide range of shades for like Asian tones and like just the kind of like exotic shades that I think brands need to have. And now they have 44 amazing shades. So honestly, I really recommend you give this foundation a go. Can you see how different that looks now compared to earlier? It's about £34, so it's not that bad. I mean, honestly, for something that is this amazing, it's really good. And the packaging, you feel like you bought something really luxurious. What I'm gonna do is just finish off with the face, and I'll finish it off with the other products I got from Charlotte Tilbury, which is Pillow Talk lip pencil with a different shade and color type of the Pillow Talk lip color. So I'll come back in just a moment and show you that in 2 seconds. So this is the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lip liner. It's amazing. It's so beautiful. I don't just go over my lip line. I like to fill my entire lip in. It kind of helps. I think any lip color you put on top stays super long lasting. So I bought this and I'm so happy I have. It's beautiful. I bought like a lip color shade that's within the range of the Pillow Talk colors, so I'll show you guys that. And Charlotte Tilbury also gave me 2 complimentary lip colors, which I'll show you guys now, and I haven't seen them either. So this looks like a dark Pillow Talk colour, but apparently it's got like, it's not a matte finish, so it gives the illusion of being a really light Pillow Talk colour. So let's give it a go. But it looks really dark, but look how beautiful it complements that lip pencil. This is not the original colour Pillow Talk, this is slightly different. It's so moisturizing on the lips. It's Superstar Lips Glossy Starlit Lip Looks in the color Pillow Talk. It's so sheeny. Oh wow, you know what I love about their product so far? Doesn't feel like I've got anything on my face. I've only used their foundation and the powder, no concealer. Oh, so beautiful. And this is it. This is the final look and it's unbelievable. The makeup, the foundation is waterproof, it's sweatproof, it's amazing. And could you imagine all those Asian bridals that are out there that dance all night? You probably will cry at some point. This is the foundation you really honestly want. And just generally anyone that just wants to have like an amazing base and just does everything that you want a concealer foundation to do all in one without it like feeling heavy on the skin. It's just the best. It's light on the skin, it's long lasting, it's non-transfer, it's waterproof, it's sweat-proof, it covers everything, it hides everything, it's so light, it's matte yet still slightly luminous. This is the foundation of the year. I hope you guys absolutely love this look. I love you, Charlotte Tilbury. I'm in love. I'm in love. So, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And just before we go, I wanted to show you the little freebies that they gave me. These are Hollywood Lips lipsticks, I think. So this is a matte contour liquid. Oh, liquid lipstick. So cute. Hollywood Lips. Matte contour liquid lipsticks. And I got 2. And I did take a little peek actually at the colour because my video just messed up for a second. They are gorgeous, like unbelievable. They were complimentary. Look at this colour. Look at this colour. It's stunning. And oh, look at this. It comes out and that is the matte contour liquid lipstick and it looks amazing. These are so my colours and they will go so well with the Pillow Talk lip liner as well. So I'm so pleased with the colour and colours. Look at this one. And this one is slightly more peachier, but it's adorable. Again, it's stunning colour. And I love these kind of like liquid lip colours that dry matte and it's just so sheeny on the lips again. These look gorgeous. And honestly guys, if you guys invest in this makeup, you will not be disappointed. And these Hollywood lipsticks are so adorable. I hope this has been okay. Let me know if there's any other brands you'd like me to try out for you guys. And the shade of foundation is 5.5 neutral. Again, it's skincare makeup. It's amazing. It's sweat-proof, waterproof, transfer-proof. It's light wearing, full coverage. You don't need a concealer. And you don't need any other powder than the one that is suggested to go with it. I think it's fantastic. So thank you for watching, like and subscribe, and love you, Charlotte Tilbury. Bye.